called a cutting room on the boat. Getting ready to make some replacement edge pieces for the doors to be able to seal the area so it's a little U-type track. I got 2 more to make. I got the front edge and the upper edge to make. And then, yeah, we'll be inserting this edging type material into it. Well, we got the 2 side pieces and the bottom piece all cut and got a groove there for the insulation. There you can see the groove, and basically it sets up like that, and this is for the top of the door. So the top of the door will go in and there'll be insulation on either side that will snug it up. And this is 1/4 inch lower than this side because this side is up against the house, so you want to be able to trim around it. You don't need it pushing out later. So that's the door this is going into. There are the pieces we just cut. This is the prototype frame that we did last night. Here's what the old door looked like with all of its wood trim, which is severely weathered.
Bill is assembling the pilot house door upper track by clamping the 3 pieces together so he can screw the pieces in place and insert the weather stripping into the grooves.
And there is the assembled upper bracket with insulation and stuff in it, so a little higher, and now we'll work on putting that, installing that outside. Okay, there's the top rail in. Because we already hit the bottom rail, so now need to just drop a piece in that goes from here all the way down to there, and that'll be this front leading edge part, and then the framing for the door will be done.
Now we are removing the old broken and weathered teak tracks. We will be using some teak inside, but this exterior teak is so beat up and broken it is unusable for its original purpose. We found a lot of rust under the old tracks, so we had to grind it away, treat with Skunk Rust 17, and then repaint the area with Rust Grip. Bill is assembling the starboard pilot house door track and the 8-foot door tracks for the salon deck sliding doors. He moves the clamps down the tracks as he screws the pieces together. We test fit before permanently installing the tracks and then put the doors in. We hired out some of the wall and ceiling finish work. They are installing the first 2 wall panels in the salon. Eventually, they install vinyl-covered wall and ceiling panels in the pilot house, salon galley, media room, and forward stateroom. Some of these panels we'll find later will be too large for easy removal and reinstallation. We've already cut some down to a more manageable size. We're building the pilot house head walls out of PVC foam board. This one is the head's port side wall. We test fit the wall several times, making adjustments each time before the final install. Earlier, we had glued the 3/4 inch PVC foam board furring strips for attaching the wall. Now we're building the pilot house head's forward wall, again out of PVC foam board. The reason we use PVC foam board is that it's waterproof and fire resistant. We tried to set it on fire with our plasma cutter torch and it wouldn't burn. However, it is very flexible depending on its thickness. We added 1/4 inch strips in between panels to strengthen the walls. Also, notice the finished walls behind us in the salon. After many test fits and making multiple adjustments, this forward wall is finally in. Jumping ahead to July 2022, here's a sneak peek of the almost finished pilot house head. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Later!